The mutual fund industry saw weak inflows for the month of December, and the total equity inflows, including ELSS, stood at 6,600 crore rupees against 8,400 last month. Now, this reading is at a 23-month low. However, the nodal body for mutual fund believes that this is a decent number given the current market volatility. Prashant Nair, who's been doing all the number crunching, joins us with more details. Prashant, take it away.
It's a sobering number, whatever else you may say. 6,000 odd crores, 6,600 odd crores is a far cry from the all-time high levels of 20,000 crore plus, a year back. And of course, even a couple of months back, we were at 12,000 crores. It's half of that. November saw a 35% drop. And on top of that, in the month of December, we've seen a 21% drop all month on month. So the trend is pretty clear. So this is, as I said, sobering. The only in a way, good news, the silver lining, so as to speak, in terms of net equity inflow is the SIP number. That is systematic investment plans. So there, the provisional numbers indicate that over 8,000 crores actually came into SIPs in the month of December. This is actually an increase as compared to in November. So, 6,600 crores net inflow into equity, SIP into equity at 8,000 crores. So what is happening? So maybe, there is more money people are allocating into SIPs, but from active funds, already existing old portfolios, maybe there is some withdrawal, etc., which is going on. So that is equity, and that's those are the big numbers. Balance funds, not very much. The category is kind of diminished quite a bit. Only 45 crores came in. Last month, the number was about 215 crores. Equity ETFs was a pretty large bump, 10,878 crores. And this compares to about 1,600 odd crores in the month of November. But this is pure, this is no sudden, there's no great sudden shift into ETFs and passive investing. There was a CPSE ETF which was open for subscription, and the money went into that. And we've seen this before. You go back to the month of June of 2018, there was a 8,300 crore plus figure after and the previous month in May, it was about 2,600 crores. So these bumps happen when there is this ETF inflow, which gets accounted for. Will it continue? Absolutely not. But could some of this ETF money spill over into the regular ETF, regular category? Maybe yes. So we'll have to wait. Liquid funds, this is where, this is the commercial paper, NBFC dependent category. And this is, here we had a big outflow in the month of October, almost about a third of the category assets left. And then over the next 2 months, a lot of the money came back. In the month of December, we've seen another very large outflow. Industry experts are describing this as a result of, advanced tax quarter end and those kind of things. But this is still a negative number. So all in all, sobering numbers coming in as far as, both the equity category and the liquid fund category are concerned. Back to you.